How to unlike something on Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can unlike something on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Facebook. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. After doing that, you can just, find something that you liked. And if you find it like this, you can simply tap on the like button again to unlike it. Now, if you want to unlike something that you liked a long time ago and you cannot find that post, head over to the menu section and tap on the settings that is on the top right corner. After you're on settings, you will then need to scroll down until you find an option that says your information. It should be somewhere around here. So let me find that. And right here, you should find your activity log. It can be here listed as your information or your activity, depending on your device. Head over to activity log. And after you're on your activity log, you will need to head over to your interactions. So here, I'll just head over to my Facebook activity and head over to this comments and reactions. So I'll just expand on that and tap on likes and reactions. Now right there, you will see all of the posts that I've liked. And if I want to just remove a specific one, I'll just open that up. I can just long press on that or tap on the three dots right beside it and tap on the unlike button. Or I can select multiple options and tap on remove. And that's basically it. That is how you can unlike something on Facebook. And that's basically it, guys. So watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.